Hey guys, in today's video I'm taking a look at these that we got from Amazon. It's a pack of 10. I'm just gonna take out one and then I'll show you. So by looking at it first glance is that it looks exactly like the original. So I will show you the original. Here's the original that came with the robot itself. So, and yes, it's dirty. But anyways, here's the back, here's the front. It feels almost the same thing as this. Like they did a pretty good job at copying. But where they screwed up was how big this is. So as you can see, this one is slightly bigger. So when they measured things, I guess, they forgot that they're adding this to it. Now, does that matter? Well, I'm gonna have to test it out. This is just an unboxing video, but I'll show you how it fits on the machine itself. Now, from what I already saw, this does fit just fine. So this is the important part. But as you guys can see this from here to here, and see this space, that would be the issue. So I'm gonna show you why that's an issue. So here's the robot, and we're gonna place this right here. And I'm gonna show you. So it snaps in, it does the job, but look at this. Once you snap it in the whole way in, it's touching the wheel just a little bit. So that would be a bad thing. You don't want this to touch the wheels, and the original doesn't. So let me just snap this one out. And I just snapped in the original one. Yeah, you just can notice that because it's dirty. See that space? Yeah, it's not gonna touch this. So that's the problem with it being bigger. Bigger is usually not a bad thing, but in this case, they screwed up just a little bit. However, I'm gonna test it out and see if it gets in the way. What I think is gonna happen is that nothing's gonna happen. It's not really gonna get in the way because it does touch on the wheels just a little bit, but that will just make this wear out a little bit faster. It shouldn't get in the way of the sensors because it's barely touching, but I'll let you guys know if it does get in the way. I will have a review of these, but you guys can see how it fits on the robot itself. Again, it's a little bit bigger than the other one, so you guys can see that it comes from the sides, whereas the original doesn't. So again, that does matter that it's a little bit bigger, so that's where they screwed up. Other than that, it does attach, and the robot is working with it. I'm just gonna have to see and work it for a long time to see if it actually gets in the way of the sensors or anything like that. Other than that, that's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.